Hi friends, if you're scanning this video, it's because you're practicing the what question by buddy reading. You are going to need some materials. You need your buddy, you need your what stick, and each of you need 2 of your books on your level. Go ahead and pause the video and get your materials. Welcome back. I want to show you how I use the what stick when I am reading my book on my level. Now, my book is all about nocturnal animals and diurnal animals, and I'm going to be asking the question what after every page. I'm going to ask my partner a what question, and they can ask me a what question. Here we go. Nocturnal animals sleep during the day. Beavers sleep after building their dams. Diurnal animals sleep at night. Squirrels sleep at night after gathering nuts. Are you ready for the what question? How about you're my partner and you can answer my question? What animal sleeps at night after gathering nuts? That's right, squirrels. Can you ask me a what question? Here's my next page. The sun shines during the day. Lizards lie in the bright sunlight. The moon shines at night. Owls look for food in the moonlight. I need to think of a what question. I remember what questions. I can think about an action or a thing, and I can ask the what monster anything. Let me think of a good question. What is this lizard doing? That's right. He's lying in the bright sunlight. Can you ask me a what question? Great question. Now, it's your turn to get with your buddy and ask and read your books and ask and answer questions. What questions? Let's remember when we're buddy reading, we're elbow, elbow, knee to knee. I'll read to you and you'll read to me. Elbow, elbow, knee to knee. Book is in the middle so we both can see. There should only be one book in the middle. Don't forget, after every page, you're going to be asking your partner what questions, and they can answer your question and vice versa. I want you to put your questions on, a couple of your questions on Seesaw so your teacher can hear what you're asking. Okay, have fun.